Today we are making a delicious fig salad with a light summery dressing. First, let's make the dressing. In a bottle, combine the fresh orange juice, lemon juice, argan oil that adds a nutty flavor, sugar, and salt. Shake it well, and here you go. Place the dressing in the refrigerator until ready to serve. For the salad, we will need different types of lettuce and greens. Chop them into bite-sized pieces. We will also use spinach, chopped as well. I am using black juicy figs. Cut them into slices. You can also use green figs if you want. For the cheese, I prefer goat cheese as it pairs so well with the sweetness of the figs and the dressing, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Top with walnuts, and your salad is ready. Time to add the dressing and toss all this goodness together. Serve this salad immediately. So fresh, so yummy, so heavenly. Bon appétit!